Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about Model Perfect, one of the lessons in English Lintas Minat for 12th grade of high school. With me, Bu Icha, and let's learn together. First of all, what is Model Perfect? Model Perfect is a modal auxiliary which is followed by participle form, have, and verb tree. In this case, there are four kinds of Model Perfect: could have, should have, might have, and must have. Let's discuss it one by one. The first Model Perfect that we're going to discuss here is could have verb tree. It is used to express ability to do something in the past which is in the end it wasn't done. Jadi Model Perfect could have itu digunakan untuk mengekspresikan kemampuan untuk melakukan sesuatu di masa lalu tapi pada akhirnya tidak dilakukan. Let's go for the example. She could have visited her grandma last holiday, but in fact, she spent her whole time at home. So, what does the sentence mean? The sentence means she actually could visit her grandma, but she didn't. Jadi apa arti dari kalimat di atas? Artinya adalah bahwa sebenarnya dia bisa mengunjungi neneknya liburan kemarin, tapi dia tidak melakukannya. Dia lebih memilih untuk menghabiskan seluruh waktu liburannya di rumah. Next, we turn into the Model Perfect should have. It is used to express regrets, or when expectation isn't fulfilled, or when sensible advice wasn't followed. Jadi, model should have ini digunakan untuk mengekspresikan penyesalan ketika harapan itu tidak sesuai dengan kenyataan atau ketika nasihat yang berarti itu tidak dilaksanakan. Let's take for the example. My mom got angry because of my bad mark in math. I should have studied harder last week. What does that sentence mean? The sentence means I didn't study harder before math test. Consequently, I got bad mark and I regret now. Jadi apa arti kalimat tersebut? Artinya adalah bahwa aku seharusnya belajar lebih keras minggu yang kemarin, tapi aku tidak melakukan itu sehingga aku sekarang menyesal karena nilai matematikaku jelek. Okay, now we come to the third Model Perfect, might have. It is used to express a possibility happened in the past or a guess about a past action. Jadi Model Perfect might have digunakan untuk mengekspresikan kemungkinan yang terjadi di masa lalu atau bisa juga sebuah tebakan tentang action yang dilakukan di masa lalu. Let's take for the example. Anne didn't come to my house last night. She might have forgotten. What does the sentence means? The sentence means it is possible that Anne forgot to come to my house last night. Jadi apa arti dari kalimat di atas? Artinya adalah bahwa Anne tidak datang ke rumahku semalam. Mungkin karena dia lupa. Jadi might have di sini menunjukkan bahwa kemungkinan yang terjadi di masa lampau. In this case, kemungkinan bahwa Anne lupa sehingga dia tidak datang ke rumahku. Okay, now what about the Model Perfect must have? It is used to express a certainty that something happened or didn't happen, or when we draw a logical conclusion. Jadi, kalau might have tadi digunakan untuk mengekspresikan kemungkinan, sedangkan kalau untuk must have itu digunakan untuk kesimpulan terhadap sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lalu. For the example, Joe got cum laude in his graduation. He must have worked very hard for it. What does the sentence means? The sentence means it can be concluded that Joe worked very hard during his study. Jadi, Joe mendapatkan cum laude di saat kelulusannya. Artinya apa? Artinya adalah bahwa dia pasti bekerja keras untuk mendapatkan gelar itu. Okay, to make you understand easily, let's draw the conclusion and take a look at the slide. Could have itu artinya bisa dilakukan tapi tidak dilakukan. Should have seharusnya dilakukan tapi tidak dilakukan. Lah antara could have dan should have itu sebenarnya mirip. Yang membedakan adalah kalau should have itu lebih kepada nasihat yang seharusnya dilakukan tapi tidak dilakukan. Untuk might have itu kemungkinan di masa lampau dan yang must have itu memiliki arti kesimpulan atau sesuatu yang pasti terjadi di masa lampau. Okay guys, hopefully this video can help you to understand more about Model Perfect and you can make a better preparation for examination next week. Selamat belajar murid-murid, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.